my name is Liza and I do lots of lifestyle, family and also interior content on this channel. There's a bit of a mix for everyone, so I hope you enjoy what you see. Today's video is actually going to be a collaboration with my friend Sarah Jane, and we're doing an Ikea hacks video. I've been wanting to do one of these for so long now. I've said recently on a couple of my videos I wanted to do a few crafty videos, and a lot of you said that you would love to see that, so I hope you enjoy this video. Sarah Jane and I have been friends for years now, and we actually did a collaboration at this time last year, I believe. It was around Christmas time actually, and we shared what was in our children's Christmas Eve boxes. Sarah Jane's got a beautiful little girl and she does lots of videos very similar to mine, so you can expect kind of lifestyle content, cleaning videos, interiors and lots more, so make sure you check her out after this. Okay, so if you want to see what we created, just keep watching. Let's get started. So for the first DIY you're going to need this soie placemat, and we're going to be making a mirror and a tray. So basically you need some mirror, some decorative items and some paint to make it look pretty. First of all, I'm going to start by painting the mat. I actually painted this 2 to 3 times, so just make sure you get right in there and get around the edges as well, and just paint it as many times as you need to. You can do any colour you want. Once the mat is dry, you're going to need your glue gun or a very strong glue to glue the mirror in place. This mirror I actually bought from the range, I think it was about £1.50, and I'm just going to glue that in place now. To make sure it was really secure, I glued around the whole mirror also, and then it was time to make it look pretty. So I used these beads, which I actually bought from Home Bargains not too long ago, and I think they work really well. You can use anything you want, some crystals, some ribbon, anything just to make it look that little bit more fancy. If you're using a hot glue gun, then be careful, and also work quite quickly because the glue does dry very fast. Depending on how you would like to use this mat, you can skip the next step or continue. So basically I just popped some hooks onto the back so I could hang this up as a wall mirror, but I have also used this as a tray as well, and these are really great because they're flat enough to keep flat if you want to use it as a tray also, and I just glued these on with a glue gun. And this, guys, is the end result. How pretty is that? I think it's so gorgeous and looks gorgeous in my lounge. I've also used it here as a tray for my wax burner, and I think it looks absolutely beautiful. Let me know if you create this one. I would love to see pictures because I think it's so pretty. Okay, so we're on to the next DIY, which is a letter holder / key holder, and you're going to need this prop mat chopping board, and you're also going to need this napkin holder. They've got loads of different varieties, so you can choose a number of these, but this is the one I went for. You'll also need some paint to paint your chopping board, and also some little hooks for your keys. To start, you just need to paint the chopping board. I chose a really lovely cream colour because I thought it would go nice with the gold. Also a really deep navy would look gorgeous, or a deep forest green if that goes with your home theme. But yeah, I just painted mine cream and I gave it 2 coats. Next, you just need to screw the little hooks in place, so wherever you want your key hooks to be. I placed mine at the top because I wanted my lettered holder to be at the bottom. So I placed this right at the bottom so I could have it freestanding if I wanted to. After you've placed your napkin holder where you want it to go, use the glue. So you can either use a glue gun again or just some super strong glue. I use the glue gun, and again you have to work really quickly because the glue dries so quick. I guess it's because this is quite a cold material that I'm gluing onto, so it dries super fast, so just work quick. And I also glued around the edges as well just to make sure it was really secure. And this, guys, is the finished product. So there is our key and letter holder. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous, and there are so many different combinations that you could do for this. So let me know what you think. Okay, so onto the final hack, and we're using a Brunster lampshade, and basically we're using this to make a really stylish plant pot holder. And oh my gosh, guys, this worked really well, and it's so simple and easy to make. So first of all, to create a base, I'm using this Senap saucer, and I'm just placing the pendant on top. And then literally I'm just gluing it down to make sure it's super secure. That is going to be the base, and then we're going to use the plant pot and just place it on top in the middle. It fits perfectly. Just pop around Ikea, see what fits and works. This one worked absolutely perfectly. It was only £3.50 with the saucer. Look how gorgeous that looks already. Pop your plant in and you're done. Literally, that is all you need to do for this. You could spray paint it gold if you wanted to, but I thought this worked really well with Vinny's pendant in his room as well, which is also from the Brunster collection. You could use that big pendant if you wanted to create a really nice floor stand for your plants. So that is the end of the video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this DIY. Let me know if you'd like to see more in the future, and also let me know which one was your favourite. I'd love to know if you recreate them, and if you do, please send me pictures because it would be really cool to see. Don't forget to go check out Sarah Jane's video now. There'll be a link down in the description box for you. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you've come over from Sarah Jane's channel, then welcome. I hope you stick around. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all soon, guys. Bye.